Good evening, everyone. Hope all of you are doing well. And we'll start with mock interviews. Theory classes are on. Yes, Pawan, good evening. Theory classes are on with Kiran Deep sir. And in coming days, I will also be taking some theory sessions. So let's not waste our time. Please go ahead and unmute yourself on your video. Let's have mock interviews. Through mock interviews, we will discuss so many theories also in some times. So please go ahead. Let's have thorough discussion. Is my audio is completely clear today? Because yesterday session was not that clear. Okay, Pawan, please go ahead. Someone please introduce himself and start taking the mock interviews. Will not waste our time. Okay, who is going to Harshit? Kriti, I think you have taken one interview. Manjeet, Mavis, you have taken one. You are in a noisy place. No issue. You can watch others. Sanju, Ravindra, go ahead. Someone please come on screen so that we'll evaluate your candidature. Please go ahead. I'm waiting all of you to join.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Sasikant. Come on screen.
Am I visible?
Okay. Sir? Yes, you are audible. Visible too. Okay. Okay, so introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Shashikant and I did my BTech from Annamala University in 2014 batch. And I am selected for Canara Bank SO as a system admin.
Interviews again. I had given PNB Bank SO but not cleared that. So I can mention. Yes, you can mention it, but once or twice. If you are chronologically not able to clear these exams, so this outrightly this leaves a very bad impression. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Sasikant. The rest you can take care.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay, I will go with someone else. Any advocates today? Any CA? Any advocates? Somalia, I have been with you. No issues. Sudhir, Pushparaj, Ravindra, Pavan is in noisy place. Nischal, MD Yasir. बहुत सारे लोग हैं, आप आइए डिस्कशन करते हैं तो सो दैट हाँ थ्योरी बहुत जरूरी है. Remember, these are practice sessions with me and by other times. Why I am giving you? Because आप लोगों ने मेरे साथ इंटरव्यू जीडी और पीआई के लिए एनरोल किया था. जिस डोमेन में नॉलेज है हम लोगों को उस डोमेन में मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ, थ्योरी क्लासेस दे रहा हूँ. इसीलिए है कि नॉलेज का कोई सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं है. और अगर आप अपने डोमेन में नॉलेज लेके जाते हो, यू गेट बेटर रिजल्ट्स एंड यू गेट कॉन्फिडेंस. ओके, तो और सवाल क्या आते हैं इंटरव्यू में? सवाल आपके जो पास्ट एक्सपोजर है उसके ऊपर सवाल आएंगे. आपके डिग्री के ऊपर थोड़ा बहुत सवाल आएगा. अगर आपने बीटेक किया है, अगर किसी को बीटेक के ऊपर आइडिया है, वो एक दो क्वेश्चन आपके डोमेन पर पूछेगा. इसके इतर कुछ नहीं आएगा. या तो आपके पास्ट के ऊपर पूछा जाएगा, आपके एजुकेशन के ऊपर पूछा जाएगा, आपके पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस के ऊपर पूछा जाएगा, और पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस में आपका जो एक्सपोजर है उसके ऊपर पूछा जाएगा कि आपका कॉन्सेप्ट कितना क्लियर है. हाउ मच यू आर क्लियर अबाउट व्हाट यू हैव डन इन योर पास्ट. तो थोड़ा बहुत आपको अपने डोमेन में काम करना पड़ेगा और अपने एक्सपीरियंस के ऊपर काम करना पड़ेगा. जो क्लियर कट वहां पे सवाल आता है कि आपने क्या किया था, कितना टीम हैंडल किया है, कितने लोगों के साथ डील किया है. ऐसा सवाल इसलिए आता है कि आप कितना क्लियर हो अपने जॉब रोल को लेके. और जो करेंट जॉब रोल है आप इसको जानते हो कि नहीं जानते हो, किस लिए आए हो, सैलरी कितना मिलेगा, बेनिफिट के लिए आ रहे हो कि नहीं आ रहे हो, ये सब जानना जरूरी है। चलो प्लीज कम। Yes, Pawan, I am talking in English. I don't understand Hindi much. I think whenever I speak in Hindi, you must tell me to repeat it. I will repeat in English. Hopefully, everybody here understands English, simple English. Okay, so we'll have no issue. Please come, someone come on screen. Someone please come on screen. At least 3 interviews we will take tonight. Every day, if you will clear 2-3 interviews and you will see others being rectified, it will help you a lot.
Sir, I am from IT, so should I come?
No, madam has came, Ramya madam. So I will be with Ramya madam. Yes.
Sure.
Nischal, yes. Nischal has told that you should prepare better before the mock. Yes. Why I have not taken mocks so far? Why I am taking just the introduction part? Because when you give a complete mock to me, it should be the real one, so that the flow that I maintain in my interview will be copy and paste in the real interview. So that is very, very, very much important. You understand that where the flow will go. Okay. So good evening, madam. So please introduce about yourself. Yes, I'm taking individual mocks. I think you have not joined the voice. Please join by call overs option in their Zoom. Yes.
Sir, can you hear me?
I can hear you crystal clear.
Yes. Sir, I am Demya AK
Yes.
from Kerala State.
Yes.
I'm postgraduate in with a triple specialization in intellectual property rights and constitutional law and administrative law from Kerala University.
So far, because I want one round of interview with everyone.
Hello.
And so that you will go and start reading the theories in between. Yes, Harshit, please go ahead and introduce yourself.
Good evening, sir. Myself, Harshit Srivastav. I have completed my MCA in 2019, and total I'm having an experience of 4 plus years of experience as a database administrator. I'm working at a client side of State Bank of India at a loans department, corporate loans, where I'm handling their database. So
no issue, you just start reading the recorded sessions in our app about credit management. Rest,
Okay.
I think you are okay for this position. So no issue will
come. Thanks to you, sir.
Yeah. So you just
I have learned from you, and you may know, you remember the first video was with you, and my first interview you have been taken there, and the recorded session you uploaded on the YouTube, and therefore I'm working on that, just combining the rules and getting this. But one request was there, that you have told the strategy to someone in last 2 days before for the please share that also, how to go more gaps on credit team, and you have written in the WhatsApp also that I have shared a strategy. I will share that. Just add that one for us also.
What you're saying? I didn't get it.
In the one day before, you have written in the message WhatsApp that I have shared a strategy for PNB, so I will share in the class. Maybe you have missed that.
Yeah, that will be shared.
Yeah, I'm looking for that.
Remind me. I will say that. List of questions. I will give you
list of questions
of questions. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
thank you, sir.
Okay, please. Thank you everyone for joining. Okay. We'll come for the next session 9 to 3 days. After 2-3 days, I will inform you. So till then, you please work on your domains so that your interview performance will be improved. Okay. So thank you everyone.
Okay, sir. Good night.
Good night all.